Let's learn how to use the pencil tool in Animate CC. From the Tools panel, click on the pencil tool icon. In the Property Inspector, under the Fill and Stroke section, click on the Stroke Color swatch. The Swatches panel appears. Now, select the desired color. Then, drag the mouse in any direction to create a shape. To draw a straight line with the pencil tool, press the Shift key while dragging the mouse.